Hello and welcome to a brief product update from Festool. Starting in March, we'll have a new cordless plunge cut saw, and from February, a new cordless delta sander in our range. We'd like to introduce both of them to you. And Frank will get started right away with the plunge cut saw.
Okay, this is our new cordless plunge cut saw, the TSC 55KS. TS stands for Tauchsäge, meaning plunge saw, C for cordless, with a 55mm cutting depth. The K stands for the safety feature of the kickback stop, and the S for single battery. The saw is lightweight, slim and compact. It fits comfortably in your hand and is ready to use in no time. The latest generation of the EC motor delivers the increased power perfectly. And together with the 8 Ah Cordless battery and the new 1.6mm thin saw blades, cutting is extremely easy. Similar to the previous double slot machine with 2 battery packs. Safe operation is ensured by the integrated kickback protection, that is, the kickback stop. This means it stops when the blade binds. Additionally, a new fixable angle support ensures that the suction hose can be fixed in the desired position. This way, we avoid getting caught on materials or the guide rail while sawing. If you want to work mobile without a dust extractor, you can use the dust collection bag. It's included in the delivery and captures up to 90% of the dust. What I really like is that, when attached to the saw, it can be stored in the cisterna. And this way, the saw is ready for use immediately after being transported to the construction site. Emptying it is also completely straightforward. And if it gets dark and it's hard to see the marking, there's an optional LED light module that illuminates the entire cutting area. And the best part, the light module is compatible with all Festool plunge cut saws. You're already familiar with the power and easy handling from our circular saws. But the cutting angle accuracy is also unmatched on the market. There's nothing else like it. Simply powerful and precise. We recommend the TSC 55KS for precise plunge cuts up to 55mm deep. For example, when cutting various sheet materials, trimming interior doors, making cutouts indoors and kitchen countertops, or for paneling work. But also for creating shadow or expansion joints, and when repairing parquet floors, the cordless plunge cut saw can be used for.
You already know our cordless eccentric sander, the DTSC2. Now we're expanding our cordless portfolio with a delta sander with a light, the DTSC 200. Dino will now show it to you in detail.
Our new cordless sander, the DTSC 200. DTS stands for Delta Sander. C, as you're used to from our cordless machines, stands for cordless. And the number 200 refers to the historical designation of the predecessor machines. Here too we have a compact cordless device that fits well in your hand, whether you're working in the workshop or in hard-to-reach places such as roof eaves or fences, etc. The DTSC 200 gives you maximum freedom of movement. The 4.0 battery is our high-performance battery and is compatible with your 18-volt cordless machines from our portfolio. Of course, it's also compatible with our chargers. Just like with the DTSC2, which you hopefully already know, we've also installed a light ring here on our DTSC 200. Why? To get a better view of our surface, and so we can spot irregularities and defects right while sanding. Thanks to our large sanding surface, you can make quick progress with your work, even on larger surfaces. And with the triangular shape, you can easily reach hard-to-access spots like corners or small edges, for example. And all of this without having to change the machine. That saves you time and money. Especially the large sanding surface and the low profile of our DTSC stand out compared to our competitors. The Delta 200 abrasive is perfectly tailored to the new Delta sander and can be used 3 times. Simply tear it off at the perforation, and you have the option to rotate the tip 3 times, so you can use it 3 times. Long service life. We recommend the DTSC 200 for larger surfaces and hard-to-reach areas, and deep gaps. It's basically your all-rounder for all your daily sanding tasks.
As mentioned, both new products will be available starting in March or February. Starting in March, the GranatPROfile will also be available. The new soft abrasive is available in the sizes D150, D125, Delta and 80 by 133. Thanks to its soft texture, it adapts perfectly to the surface of your workpieces. Ideal for precise work on profiles, curves and contours. As usual, you can find all the information about the new products in the video description. And with that, I want to thank you for watching. See you next time.